Barley grass powder benefits. How to use barley grass powder for maximum health gains. In the world of superfoods, barley grass powder stands out as a nutritional powerhouse. Derived from the young leaves of the barley plant, Hordeum vulgare, this green powder is packed with essential nutrients and boasts a wide range of health benefits. Beyond its nutrient density, barley grass powder has a growing body of real-life testimonials and research-backed claims. Let's explore what makes barley grass powder a must-have addition to your wellness routine. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Just one more thing. If you're over 50, be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're under 50, don't skip it. This information can truly help you live a longer, healthier, and disease-free life. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Barley grass powder contains an impressive array of vitamins such as A, C, E, and K, as well as essential B vitamins. It also provides minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining healthy skin, bones, and overall vitality. Catherine, a 35-year-old fitness enthusiast, incorporated barley grass powder into her morning smoothies. Within a month, she noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels and immunity, attributing it to the powder's high nutrient content. Number 2. Detoxification and liver health. The chlorophyll in barley grass powder is a natural detoxifier. It aids in flushing out toxins from the body and supports liver function. Regular consumption can enhance the body's ability to eliminate heavy metals and other harmful substances. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted the detoxifying properties of barley grass, emphasizing its role in improving liver enzyme markers and reducing oxidative stress. Richard, a 42-year-old office worker, reported feeling lighter and experiencing fewer digestive issues after incorporating barley grass powder into his daily routine for 2 months. Number 3. Supports digestive health. Barley grass powder is rich in dietary fiber, which promotes a healthy gut microbiome and aids in digestion. The enzymes in the powder also assist in breaking down food, improving nutrient absorption. Marcia, who struggled with chronic bloating, shared her experience of using barley grass powder as a natural remedy. It helped regulate my digestion and significantly reduced my discomfort within weeks, she said. Number 4. Boosts immunity. The antioxidants in barley grass powder, including superoxide dismutase, SOD, and flavonoids, help neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage and boosting the immune system. In a clinical trial conducted in 2021, participants who consumed barley grass powder daily for 8 weeks exhibited enhanced immune markers compared to the control group. Number 5. Improves skin health. The high levels of vitamins C and E in barley grass powder contribute to collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging. Additionally, its detoxifying properties can lead to clearer skin. Antonia, a 29-year-old skincare enthusiast, began applying a barley grass face mask weekly. I've noticed a visible reduction in acne and a natural glow to my skin, she shared on her wellness blog. Number 6. Promotes cardiovascular health. Barley grass powder contains potassium and other nutrients that support heart health. Its ability to lower LDL cholesterol and regulate blood pressure contributes to reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A study in 2020 found that regular intake of barley grass improved lipid profiles and reduced markers of inflammation linked to heart disease. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Barley grass powder's low glycemic index and nutrient composition help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Marion, a 50-year-old with type 2 diabetes, shared how adding barley grass powder to his diet helped maintain his blood sugar levels within the recommended range. Number 8. Balances body pH. The alkalizing properties of barley grass powder help neutralize acidity in the body, promoting better overall health and reducing inflammation-related issues. Shirley, who dealt with chronic fatigue, found that using barley grass powder restored her energy levels and reduced her body aches, which she attributed to its alkalizing effects. Number 9. Supports weight management. Rich in fiber and low in calories, Barley grass powder promotes satiety and aids in weight management. Its enzymes and nutrients support metabolism and help break down fats. Laura incorporated barley grass powder into her meals as part of her weight loss journey. She noticed fewer hunger cravings and better digestion, which helped her shed unwanted pounds. Number 10. Enhances athletic performance and recovery. The amino acids and nutrients in barley grass powder make it a great choice for athletes. It supports muscle recovery and boosts endurance, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In a trial with endurance runners, those who consumed barley grass powder reported quicker recovery times and less muscle soreness after intense training sessions. Number 11. Improves mental clarity and focus. Barley grass powder contains B vitamins and antioxidants that support brain health. These nutrients help reduce mental fatigue and improve concentration. Jeremy, a busy professional, shared how barley grass powder helped him maintain focus during long work hours. "It keeps me energized and sharp throughout the day," he said. Number 12. Provides anti-inflammatory benefits. The bioactive compounds in barley grass powder reduce inflammation, helping alleviate conditions like arthritis and chronic pain. Its antioxidants also combat oxidative stress. A 2022 review in the Journal of Nutritional Science noted that barley grass powder contains compounds that suppress inflammation markers in the body. Number 13. Promotes hormonal balance. Barley grass powder's nutrient profile supports adrenal and thyroid function, contributing to hormonal balance. This can help with issues like adrenal fatigue and stress management. Gloria, a yoga instructor, found that adding barley grass powder to her diet reduced stress and stabilized her mood. "I feel more grounded and balanced," she said. Number 14. Potential anti-cancer properties. Barley grass powder is rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll, which may help protect cells from DNA damage and prevent the growth of cancer cells. Early research suggests that barley grass powder's high antioxidant content can contribute to cellular health and may have protective effects against certain cancers. Well, that covers all the scientifically proven benefits of barley grass powder. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these powerful superfood. Question 1. How to use barley grass powder. Barley grass powder is versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Here are a few ideas. Smoothies. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie for an extra nutrient boost. Juices. Mix with fresh fruit or vegetable juice for a refreshing drink. Soups and salads. Sprinkle on soups or mix into salad dressings. Face masks. Combine with water or yogurt for a natural skin treatment. Question 2. Can I drink barley grass powder every day? Yes, barley grass powder can be consumed daily in moderate amounts. Regular use helps maintain energy levels, supports detoxification, and provides consistent nutritional benefits. Question 3. Is barley grass good for your liver? Yes, barley grass powder is excellent for liver health. Its chlorophyll content helps detoxify the liver, reduce oxidative stress, and improve liver enzyme markers. Question 4. Who cannot take barley grass? People allergic to barley or grasses should avoid it. Individuals with celiac disease or severe gluten sensitivity must ensure the product is certified gluten-free. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before use. Question 5. What is the best time to drink barley? The best time to consume barley grass powder is in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize nutrient absorption. It can also be taken mid-afternoon as a natural energy booster. Question 6. What is the side effect of barley grass? Barley grass powder is generally safe, but some people may experience side effects like nausea, bloating, or mild allergic reactions. Start with small doses and increase gradually to assess tolerance. Question 7. Can I mix barley powder with milk? Yes, barley grass powder can be mixed with milk, plant-based milk, or smoothies. Combining it with milk makes a creamy, nutritious drink. Question 8. Can I drink barley grass before bed? Yes, you can consume barley grass powder before bed. Its calming nutrients, like magnesium, can promote relaxation and better sleep quality. Question 9. Can I drink barley powder on an empty stomach? Yes, consuming barley grass powder on an empty stomach enhances nutrient absorption, making it an ideal addition to your morning routine. Question 10. Which is better, barley grass or wheatgrass? Both are nutrient-rich, but barley grass has a higher chlorophyll content and more significant detoxifying properties. Wheatgrass, on the other hand, may have slightly more concentrated enzymes. The choice depends on individual health goals. Question 11. How do you choose high-quality barley grass powder? Look for organic certification to ensure it's free from pesticides. Check for lab testing to confirm purity and nutrient content. Choose brands that guarantee gluten-free processing, especially if you have sensitivities. Question 12. What is the best barley grass powder in the market? When choosing the best barley grass powder, a few great options stand out. Microingredients. Organic barley grass powder is USDA certified organic, non-GMO, and free from additives, packed with nutrients like chlorophyll and fiber. Vimergy organic barley grass juice powder is made from young barley grass, processed to preserve nutrients, and contains no fillers. Pure Synergy organic barley grass juice powder is grown in the U.S. and supports energy, detoxification, and digestion with enzymes and amino acids. Green Foods Green Magma barley grass powder retains active enzymes for energy and detox benefits. These options are high quality and nutrient-rich, so pick the one that suits your health needs. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.